Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a cool charging animations on any Android device. This is a super easy trick that will make your phone look stylish every time you plug it in. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Google Play Store like this, and then just search for charging animations like this. You will see a lot of apps, but just pick the one that looks good and has decent review. In this tutorial, I use this app like this, and then just go ahead and install it on your phone. And once the app is installed, just open it up and then tap on start to get into the main menu like this. And here you will find a collection of different charging animations. Some of them already unlocked like this and ready to use, and the others are locked, but don't worry, you can unlock them simply by watching a short ad, like for example like this. Just tap on what's ad, and okay, just find the animation that you like best, and once you have decided, just tap on it and you will get a preview animations like this. And then after that, to apply, just hit the check mark button, this one. Just tap on it. And then the app will now ask for a few permissions to work properly. Just tap on show only on lock screen, and then allow, and then tap on other permissions, and then just make sure to grant those permissions. Otherwise, the animations won't show up. Just allow all. Like this. And then now let's test it out. Just go back and then tap on set now. And then just plug in your charger. And okay, like this, you will see your brand new charging animations pop up on the screen like this. Looks pretty cool, right? And okay, that's how you set charging animations on any Android device in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!